No one used Pythagoras' theorem to find a short side. Pause the video and have a go at example 5 and 6. Example 5. Find BC. So BC is the unknown. I'm not going to label it H like the previous examples because it's not the hypotenuse, it's the short side. So I need to label it A or B. So I'll just label it A. The hypotenuse is the 12. So the 9 is the other short side, let's call it B. Or you might want to, if you label a triangle, start off by labeling the hypotenuse opposite the right angle. It'll be your H, meaning the other two sides must be A and B. If we write Pythagoras' theorem, it says that H squared is A squared plus B squared. And then substitute in the values that are in the diagram. The H is 12, so 12 squared. The A we don't know, we just keep it as A. That's what we're going to try and find out. It's what represents the BC. And then B to A, the B is 9, so 9 squared. Now careful with my writing, this is an A, this is a 9. So if we square those out, we get that 144 would be A squared plus 81. We want to find out A squared, so we need to get rid of this 81 that's beside it. And we need to think of it as an equation and subtract 81 from both sides. So we get that A squared would be 144 minus 81. Or A squared equals 63. And then A is the square root of that. And to 2 decimal places, that gives 7.94. And that would be in centimeters. Now, before we move on, I just want you to take a little bit more time to look over this. When you're finding the hypotenuse, you're squaring and adding the two shorter sides. It ended up, when you're finding a short side then, you actually squared the hypotenuse and squared one of the short sides, and you subtracted them. Okay? So if you're finding a short side, you actually square and then subtract. So one last time, square and add if you're finding the longest side, but if you're finding a shorter side, you square and subtract, this being 12 squared, this being 9 squared. Example 6. A ladder of length 2.5 meters is leaning against a wall where the foot of the ladder is 0.4 meters from the base of the wall. So let's draw our ground. Let's draw our wall. And then we've got our ladder. Now, the ladder is 2.5 meters. So this is our ladder. So it has to be 2.5. Leaning against a wall where the foot of the ladder, that's the base or the bottom of the ladder, it's 0.4 meters from the base of the wall. There's the bottom of the wall, the base. So this bit here is 0.4. Now, the wall would make a right angle, by the way, with the ground. Find the distance from the base of the wall, that's from here, to where the ladder touches the wall. That's up to here. So this is our unknown. We can call it A or B, or sometimes you might just want to call the unknown X. That's absolutely fine too. So we've got our formula is H squared equals A squared plus B squared. In this case, the hypotenuse is 2.5. So 2.5 squared is A squared. Well, one of these is going to be A, one is going to be B. We'll just call this one here A. So X squared, and the other one are B, 0.4 squared. You can rearrange now, or you can work these ones out, doesn't matter. Let's put them in the calculator, help us out. 2.5 squared is 6.25. And 0.4 squared is 0.16, or 0.6. So we're finding the shorter side, so we've actually got to square and subtract these numbers. We've squared them, but we're going to have to take away 0.16. So what we're doing there is actually taking 0.16 from both sides like an equation. because it is an equation. And that gives us 6.09. So x squared equals 6.09. And then x would be the square root of that. That gives you 2.47. And this question was in meters, so 2.47 meters. Now before, I said when you check your answer, when we were finding the hypotenuse, it should be the longest side. But in these two examples then, we can check to make sure that these are not the longest sides because they're not the hypotenuse we're finding a shorter side. The hypotenuse is 2.5 and we've got 2.47, so that's shorter, so that's okay. And here in example 5, the hypotenuse was 12 and we got the short side to be 7.94. Again, smaller than 12, so that's okay.